Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are focusing on 1956 P15 General Electric rechargeable transistor radio. This radio was built here in the United States with incredible quality. My understanding is that this was the first rechargeable portable transistor radio. They made this in two other models, P715 and P716. The radio body was built in one-piece aluminum cast. They offered carrying case with built-in battery charger. Their advertise said, batteries always seems to go bad and cannot find replacement battery for miles. I guess they didn't have Amazon delivery those days. You can carry it in your pocket. Just need to charge it in any AC outlet. Imagine getting 10,000 hours of fun and battery lasts to 13 years. No vacuum tube, just 6 tiny transistors. And the price is just $49.95, no battery included, and $64.95 comes with earphone leather carrying case. For 1956, that was an expensive portable radio, as you all know. When I saw this ad, I had to have it. I got to have one. Especially offers up to 10,000 playing hours and battery lasts up to 13 years. I got to have one of this. So stay tuned for upcoming episode. I remember when I had my first 50 subscriber, I told my wife, I said, guess what? I have 50 subscriber. She paused a little bit and said, how many people live around the world? I said, gee, I see. So folks, what you want to do, somewhere in the bottom, there's a subscription button. Go ahead and select that, and also there's a bell, select that bell so it notify you whenever I upload new video. Put your thumb up. What this does, it notify other people they enjoy this hobby. Go ahead and share it to other people. Help me if my subscription goes up, man. Make me look good. All right? I appreciate you. And this is a General Electric transistor radio I purchased. The case is in good condition. It just needs a little work. And this is the back of the case, of course. And need to be taken care of. And if you open the case, then the handle was inside. So my understanding, this was the first transistor radio that actually it has the charger inside, the battery charger. And this is how I received it. And the case is very dirty. All need to be cleaned and taking care of the leather. This is, I assume, is a leather. Need to be cleaned. And so the reason I bought this is pretty unique. I never saw something like this before. That actually is a transistor radio with rechargeable battery. And I assume there's a rechargeable battery inside, and that's what you use to charge it. So if we take this out of the case, this is what it came up with. You see they are all pretty dirty, of course, and there's some corrosion. So some corrosion everywhere. And this was plugged. This is plugged in like that. So this is how I look like. It's the back of it. Just needs good cleaning, and all these are like it's all rusted. I need to figure out how to fix that. I assume there's a battery still inside. This is how the charger itself, again, everything needs to be clean. It's really dirty, disgusting here, and this doesn't come out. It's like building inside the case. Of course, the case needs a lot of work to get in good condition, and the radio itself also, things come apart, and I need to take it out to see what type of condition is inside. So let's do that. Let's take that apart to see what's going on with this radio. Again, when I saw this online, I never saw something like this. The transistor radio, it has its own charger, is a rechargeable battery, and that it all comes in the one package. That's why I purchased it. So let's see if we can fix it or not. There's loose something inside here. I don't know what it is. Maybe that's the way it was. I have no clue. But we're going to figure it out together. I'm going to put this aside and work in the radio itself. Alright? Alright, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. So I'm thinking if I press this up like this, yeah, it comes off. Okay, let's do the other side as well. Just see the all rust out and tons of scratch here. When you turn this on, this is rubbed here and take some colors off. So this is, we're going to put aside. Of course need to be cleaned as well. So let's take this out to see how is the battery inside. So let's take this out. Hopefully there's no battery inside. If there's a battery inside, we're in big trouble, because if it's inside, everything is corroded. And oh, good. Can you see this? There's something here. I don't want to take it out totally until I know what it is. And tons of rust. This they use flathead screw. This is a Phillips side screw. Maybe this is how it holds the chassis. I'm not sure. Somehow we should be able to take these two out. Crazy design. This is like one piece. The case itself is one piece. See that? Alright, I need to think about how to take this out. I don't want to damage anything. Oh, this. Oh, look at the interesting thing here. And this is actually a screw, see? So you unscrew this like that. Very nice design. Then this comes out. Very interesting design. Good job, whoever designed this. Okay, seems like this one, you pull it will come out. It's just stuck in there. See that? Man, it was stuck in there pretty bad. There's a little screw here. We're going to try to take this out. This piece is out too. And this is the bottom side of it, where the antenna wires are. This is where they put the antenna. It's pretty unique design. Let's check the other side. So if I turn it around, this is where they used to put the battery. And one side of the battery is connected to here. That's why it rusts out like that. So this is the battery deposit right here, corrosion. Let's pull this out. This is where they put the batteries. I'm glad there's no battery inside. See, just a cardboard. They put tape both sides. If you look here, this wire, they solder to the right here. So you cannot slide this. This is the way they designed this, is slide out. But you cannot do that because it's soldered here. See, also soldered there too. There's a speaker also there, under here. So what I did, I got this tool. I straightened these things out because it was bended. That's what it was holding together. Now, if I pop it out like that, you see this is where the speaker is. So it's pretty unique design, you see? So that's what they did. I'm thinking the speaker need to come out first. Very interesting design. See, all these things are falling apart, so that's not a big deal. I can make something like this. I never saw anything like this before. So you see, now you can slide out easier. But you cannot slide it out because the antenna is here. So they all need to come out at the same time, otherwise these wires right here, they get damaged. I wish this could slide out, but it doesn't. I tried it. It just stuck in there. I'm gonna unsolder this from here and then unsolder the speakers too. I think by doing that, this can slide out to check to see how the capacitors are. Let's take things out to see what's going on underneath. See, this is where this was soldered. I was hoping I could unscrew that out, but I don't think that's possible. Let's unsolder this stuff first. I'm going to add the solder to this because adding solder to the old one is going to melt it much faster. Okay, this part is out. I'm going to take a couple of pictures so I remember where the wires go. Yeah, unsolder the speaker too. And this is a pretty solid transistor radio. They built it very well. I'm going to try to use this tool, push the ferrite out of here. Yeah, it fit perfect. Let's see if I press it gentle. Yeah, it's still coming out, you see? Last thing I want to do is mess up with this antenna. The wires are so fragile. See that? Now I have to unsolder this one right here because it's holding on to the, see that green wire need to be unsoldered. This is crazy, folks. This case doesn't open up and this one doesn't come out at all. I tried it. I don't want to damage it. If I could take it out, it would be much easier. See, it doesn't move at all. I'm going to take a picture of this so I remember. And these old solders are so hard to release itself. Okay, this comes out like that. Alright, that is released as you see right here. Now I have to pull that. Hopefully it's not going to get damaged. Yes. I'm taking my time to take this out because I don't want to damage it. See, as I mentioned, this is one piece. Maybe if I can later on lubricate this and this can pop out easier. See, a bunch of junk is coming out of it. The reason I didn't want to lubricate it because I didn't want to mess anything up. We're going to figure this out. Oh no. That's a cardboard they put here. And something happened here. These are crazy capacitors. We bring it off. So that's the circuit board. Very interesting design. I don't know what this is. Like a transistor, you see, it has 3 legs. Anyway, you need to figure that one out. Watch here. Here the battery used to go right here. See how crowded it is? Cameras, you can zoom in very close like that. It's in its awful condition. And with this I can see much better the condition of the radio. Okay, folks, here we go again, another major project. Be honest with you, when I purchased this, I had no idea how bad this was. And you know how I am, I cannot walk away from this type of challenges, right? Hopefully we can figure this out as well. Let me list what I got to do to fix this radio. Hopefully I can fix it. We don't know until we try, right? I need to clean the circuit board, very well. Remove the rust due to the battery corrosion. Fabricate the battery assembly. Fabricate battery holder. As you see, somebody else just put a little paper and they taped it both sides. Check for cold soldering joints. Check for broken trace of PC board. Check for broken wire connections. Check volume control for proper operation. Check tuning condenser and, they call it tuning variable to see if that is working or not. Replace all the capacitors, of course. Check all the resistors to see if there's any of them is bad to remove it. Check all IF CAN transformers, it's because again this radio is in poor condition. I gotta check those as well. Check a speaker and a speaker transformer. Hopefully it is working. Repair damaged antenna wires. It wasn't come out, so when I pulled it out, some wires got damaged, and it might be damaged due to the battery corrosion. I'm not sure yet. Disassemble antenna housing. I got to disassemble that to see what's going on inside. Then clean the radio case. As you saw, is aluminum and has the oxidation, so I need to clean it and somehow polish it so that it doesn't get worse. Then test and tune in the radio. Then disassemble battery charger units. As you saw, this radio comes with the battery charger, which I'm glad, but I need to find out if it's working or not. And then after all those, I need to repair the carrying case and polish the leather or fabric. And not sure what else, be honest with you, I don't know what else I need to do with this. Wish me luck. Of course, this will be continued. Have no idea how many episodes going to be. Just stay tuned. I'll be honest with you, it takes so much time to make these videos, editing, uploading, and make sure there's enough information that it actually makes sense, if you want to follow. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comment. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.